Importance of app testing. App testing is a critical part of the software development process. As technology continues to advance, more and more companies are relying on apps to connect with their customers and provide valuable services. However, before an app can be released to the public, it must go through rigorous testing to ensure its functionality and usability. This is where app testers come in. App testing involves examining an app to identify any bugs, glitches, or usability issues that may hinder the user experience. Testers are responsible for thoroughly testing all aspects of the app, including its features, navigation, and performance. There are two main types of app testing: manual testing and automated testing. Manual testing involves a tester manually navigating through the app and trying various features to identify any issues. This type of testing allows for a more thorough examination of the app but can be time-consuming. Automated testing, on the other hand, involves using software tools to automatically test the app's functionality. App testing jobs can be found both in-house and online. Many companies hire in-house app testers to work on-site, while others outsource their testing needs to freelance testers. Online testing jobs allow testers to work remotely, giving them the flexibility to choose their own hours and work from anywhere in the world. This has opened up opportunities for people looking to enter the app testing industry. To become an app tester, it is important to have a strong attention to detail and problem-solving skills. Testers must be able to identify and replicate issues, as well as provide detailed reports to developers. They should also have a good understanding of different mobile platforms and devices, as apps may behave differently depending on the operating system or hardware. App testing is not just about finding bugs, it is also about ensuring the app meets the needs and expectations of its users. Testers need to put themselves in the shoes of the end users and test the app from their perspective. This involves considering factors such as the app's ease of use, responsiveness, and overall user experience. There are several online platforms and websites where app testers can find testing jobs. These platforms connect testers with companies looking for app testing services. Testers can create a profile, showcase their skills and experience, and apply for available testing projects. Companies often provide testers with access to pre-release versions of their apps, allowing them to provide feedback and suggestions for improvement. App testing can be a rewarding career choice for those who enjoy working with technology and have a keen eye for detail. Testers play a crucial role in ensuring the quality and usability of apps before they are released to the public. With the increasing demand for apps, the need for skilled testers is only expected to grow. In conclusion, app testing is an essential part of the software development process. Testers play a crucial role in identifying and resolving bugs, glitches, and usability issues in apps. With the rise of online testing jobs, there are numerous opportunities for individuals looking to enter the app testing industry. Strong attention to detail, problem-solving skills, and a good understanding of mobile platforms are essential for success in this field. App testing offers a rewarding career path for those who enjoy working with technology and have a passion for ensuring the quality and usability of apps.